Today my episode number 36 is about cashew nut. කජු කනවා වගේ එකම endocardium occidentale. Are cashews good for you? Nutrition benefits and downsides. Cashews are low in sugar and rich in fiber, heart healthy fats and plant protein. They are also a good source of copper, magnesium and manganese, nutrients important for energy production, brain health, immunity and bone health. Cashews are a kidney-shaped seed sourced from the cashew tree, a tropical tree native to Brazil but now cultivated in various warm climates across the world. While raw cashews are widely sold, truly raw cashews are not safe to eat, as they contain a substance known as urushiol, found in poison. Urushiol is toxic and contact with it can trigger a skin reaction in some people. Cashew kernels are cooked in processing to remove this toxic liquid, and this resulting product is sold as raw. Although commonly referred to as green nuts, they are rich in nutrients and beneficial plant compounds and make for an easy addition to make dishes. Like most nuts, cashews also may help improve your overall health. They have been linked to benefits like weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and a healthier heart. I explain the nutrition benefits and downsides of cashews to determine whether they are good for you. Cashews are rich in nutrients. Cashews are rich in a range of nutrients. 1 ounce, 28 grams of unroasted, unsalted cashews provides you with around 157 calories, 5 grams protein, 12 grams fat, 9 grams carbs, 1 gram fiber, 67% copper of the daily value, magnesium 20% Dv, selenium 10% of the Dv, thiamine 10% of the Dv, vitamin K 8% of the Dv, vitamin B6 7% of the Dv, manganese 20% of the Dv, zinc 15% of the Dv, phosphorus 13% and iron 11% of the Dv. Cashews are especially rich in unsaturated fats, a category of fats linked to a lower risk of premature death and heart disease. They are also low in sugar, a source of fiber, and contain almost the same amount of protein as an equivalent quantity of cooked meat. In addition, cashews contain a significant amount of copper, a mineral essential for energy production, healthy brain development, and a strong immune system. They are also a great source of magnesium and manganese, nutrients important for bone health. Nuts are rich in calories and fat. Hence, people wishing to lose weight have traditionally been advised to limit the amount of nuts in their diet. However, research is starting to link nut-rich diets to greater weight loss and overall lower body weights than nut-free diets. This may in part be explained by the fact that cashews appear to provide the body with fewer calories than once thought. Roasting or grinding nuts may increase your body's ability to fully digest them, thereby increasing the number of calories absorbed. As a result, weight loss benefits may be strongest for whole raw cashews, although more research is needed to confirm this. And you may sacrifice the antioxidant benefit that comes with roasting cashews. In addition to providing fewer calories than expected, nuts are also rich in protein and fiber, which are known to reduce hunger and promote feeling of fullness, both of which can further promote weight loss. Cashews appear to provide fewer calories than once thought. May improve your heart health. Diets rich in nuts, including cashews, have been consistently linked to a lower risk of disease, such as stroke and heart disease. A few studies have focused on the specific heart health benefits of cashews. One found that people with type 2 diabetes who consume 10% of their daily calories from cashews had lower LDL, means bad cholesterol, to HDL, good cholesterol, ratio than who ate no cashews at all. A low LDL to HDL ratio is typically viewed as a marker of good heart health. Two other studies link cashew nut consumption to higher HDL cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, as well as lowering total and LDL cholesterol levels. I like to eat kaju kanawa wage kanna man harima asai. However, a recent review shows conflicting results. One of the included studies suggested that regular intake of cashews may lower blood pressure and triglyceride levels. However, it finds no effect on total LDL or HDL cholesterol levels. Nut-rich diets are consistently shown to be beneficial to heart health. Cashews appear to offer some benefits to lower blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol. However, more studies are needed before strong conclusions can be made. People with type 2 diabetes may benefit from adding cashews to their diet. Do you know it? That's in part because cashews are a good source of fiber, a nutrient that helps prevent blood sugar spikes and which is believed to offer protection against type 2 diabetes. Studies looking at the effect of cashews on blood sugar levels are limited. Cashews are low in sugar and rich in fiber, two factors which, when combined, may help reduce blood sugar levels and protect against the development of type 2 diabetes. Cashews are very easy to add to your diet. They can be eaten raw, roasted, and make for an easy portable snack. Whole ground cashews can also be incorporated into a variety of dishes, ranging from scrambled tofu and stir fries to soup, salad, and stews. Cashew butter is another way to add cashews to your diet. Spread it on toast or stir it into yogurt or oatmeal. You can also process cashew butter together with oats and your favorite dried fruit to make homemade bake-free energy balls. How it is? Cashews can also be soaked and blended together with apple cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar or lemon juice to make your own dairy-free sour cream or cream cheese. Use these to add flavor to meals or make dairy-free versions of your favorite desserts. Just keep in mind that some roasted and salted cashews can contain significant amounts of added oils and salt. If your goal is to limit excess salt or added fats, consider choosing dry, roasted or raw unsalted cashew varieties whenever possible. Cashews are a versatile addition to any diet. Eat them on their own, add them to your favorite dishes, or use them to make cashew-based sauces and desserts. Choose dry, roasted or raw unsalted varieties whenever possible. Potential downsides. Cashews are rich in fiber, protein and healthy fats. They also contain a variety of vitamins, minerals and health protective beneficial plant compounds. Similarly to nuts, cashews may promote weight loss, blood sugar control and heart health. However, there is less research on cashews than on other nuts. Therefore, more cashew-specific studies are needed to confirm these benefits. That's it. There are little downsides to adding more cashews to your diet. Just remember to pick unsalted, dry roasted or unroasted varieties whenever possible. Cashews are incredibly popular and for good reason. They are not only highly nutritious but also remarkably versatile. They are slightly sweet flavor, satisfying crunch and buttery texture pairs well with a variety of flavors and culinary applications. Cashews are usually grouped with other types of tree nuts, but they also have a lot in common with legumes and seeds. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share like it.